Hello YouTube, it's me again. Finally. We're working on a 79 Chevrolet LUV truck, frame off restoration. I've been working on it for about a year, off and on. I'll just show you. Actually I had to go buy a donor truck out west because here in the great state of Kentucky, all the LUV trucks have returned back to earth, unfortunately, and rusted down. Even though they look like that, but even though that's not off the LUV truck, that's off my old orange truck. We got her all sanded down to bare metal and got her primered back in. Had to build that fender because there's no fenders available for these trucks, no aftermarket parts whatsoever. We got to paint the inside and out jasmine yellow. So that's the reason I took it down to bare metal, because modern day paints will soak through the older paints and pop it loose and you'll have peeling. It don't adhere very good. So we just went ahead and sanded it all down to bare metal first before we even put any Bond or anything back on it, and put a great DTM primer on it, direct to metal. Here's the bed. We've almost got it ready to prime. We're going to put POR15 inside the bed, then prime over top of that, then paint that. Already got the bottom side of the bed with POR15, the frame and the bottom side of the cab, and actually the inside of the cab on the top side of the floorboards has been POR15. Under the engine compartment, hood and stuff has all been POR15. We're trying to save this truck from going back to the rust. It was this red, and people we got it off of painted this maroon, and it just didn't stick very well. We got this side ground down, and we're actually sanding on it now. Ain't got a lot of room in here. I've been using to grind most of the paint. I've been using my old junky Black & Decker Chinese piece of crap drill with a sanding disc on it that you stick sandpaper onto, and using 100 grit sandpaper. It's been working pretty good. I got the tailgate started on it tonight. Then in the hard to reach areas like this here, I've been using Dremel, which them little Dremel drums don't last no time. There's a sort of kind of the color that we're going to go back with, jasmine yellow. It's dirty, I know, but of course that paint on that thing right there is 1979, so you know that goes to show you right there. But anyway, that's what color we're going to paint it back. Got the motor rebuilt in the little truck, and got the transmission all went through, and the differentials all new seals and went through, and gas tank cleaned out and resealed, and all new lines, all new brakes, all new bearings, everything basically. Anything that goes on the motor or the transmission or the frame you can buy. Anything that's a body panel you cannot. Or any kind of interior part you cannot buy new, unless you buy something that's universal fit for everything, which sucks. I've not even been able to find the rear window rubber, but I actually saved one. Broke one, saved one, because we had two cabs. And then another project I'm working on is my old orange truck. Ain't no bedside there. I cut her out. I'm going to put them in it. Anyway, I know it was getting pretty bad rusty. I wasn't happy with the truck. It's a 71 Chevrolet C10 long bed. I know it was getting bad rough in there. That's the reason I went ahead and bought patch panels. I could have bought a bedside for about $500 more than what I paid for all the patch panels. And I can deal with this. This is no big deal. POR15 over there, right there, and it'll be just fine. Plus, LMC truck told me whenever you bought a new bedside, all 126 holes had to be drilled. I didn't feel like drilling 126 holes. So I figured I'd go ahead and do what I was doing here. And get that out of the way. Hopefully I'll be able to drive it next summer, but it's not looking very good. Because I'm slow when it comes to working on my stuff. It don't pay nothing. Anyway, just letting you know that I ain't dead. And what's going on in the garage. And it's cold outside and I got a fire built. Anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe next time we'll get a little better video, or at least not be 2 years before I get another one posted. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great night.